Hello and welcome to the session. In this session, we will discuss a question which says that construct chain-based index from the following data. Now this data is given to us in which in the first column the group of commodities are given as 1, 2 and 3, that is group 1, group 2 and group 3. Then the corresponding prices in the year 1980 in dollars are given as 3, 7 and 5, and the prices in the year 1981 in dollars are given as 5, 9 and 6. The prices in the year 1982 in dollars are given as 6, 10 and 8, and in the year 1983 it is given as 8, 12 and 10. Now before starting the solution of this question, we should know a result, and that is by the chain-based method we can find the link relative by using the formula, that is link relative is equal to the current year's price over previous year's price into 100, and also we can find out the chain-based index by using the formula, that is chain-based index is equal to the link relative of current year into the chain index of previous year whole upon 100. Now this result will work out as a key idea for solving out this question. And now we will start with the solution. Now we have to construct chain-based index from the following data. For this, first of all, we will draw a table and then we will calculate the link relatives for the group of the commodities in the particular years. So we have drawn a table for the given data. Now in the upper part of this table, in the column 1, we have written the group of commodities, that is group 1, group 2 and group 3. Then in the next column, the corresponding prices in the year 1980 in dollars are given. Then in the next column, we will find the link relatives for the group of commodities in the year 1980, and similarly we will find this for the year 1981, then for the year 1982 and then for the year 1983. Then in the next part, we will find the total of the link relatives, and after this we will find the average of the link relatives, and then we will find the chain-based index numbers. Now for calculating the link relatives, we will use the result which is given in the key idea. Now the year 1980 is the first year, so it will be the base year for itself. Therefore, the link relative for group 1 will be equal to the current year's price, that is 3, over the previous year's price, that is also 3, into 100. So this will be equal to 100. And for the group 2, the link relative will be equal to 7 upon 7 into 100, which is 100. And for the group 3, it is 5 upon 5 into 100, which is also 100. Now for the year 1981, the link relative for group 1 will be equal to the current year's price, that is 5, over the previous year's price, that is 3, into 100, which is equal to 166.67, and for group 2 it is 9 over 7 into 100, that is 128.57, and for group 3 it is 6 over 5 into 100, that is equal to 120. Now for the year 1982, the link relative for group 1 is 6 over 5 into 100, which is 120. For group 2, it is 10 over 9 into 100, that is 111.11. And for group 3, it is 8 over 6 into 100, that is 133.33. Now for the year 1983, the link relative for group 1 is 8 over 6 into 100, that is 133.33. Then for group 2, it is 12 over 10 into 100, that is 120. And for group 3, it is 10 over 8 into 100, that is 125. Now, the total of the link relatives in the year 1980 is 300. In the year 1981, it is 415.24. In the year 1982, the total is 364.44, and for the year 1983, the total is 378.33. Now we will find the average of the link relatives. Now average is equal to the sum of observations over number of observations. So here the sum of observations is 300 and the number of observations is 3. So the average of the link relatives for the year 1980 is 100. Then for the year 1981, the average is 415.24 over 3, which is 138.41. Then for the year 1982, the average is 121.48. Then for the year 1983, the average of the link relatives is 126.11. Now for calculating the chain base index, we will use the result which is given in the key idea. Now the chain base index for the first year, that is the year 1980, is 100. Then for the year 1981, the chain base index will be the link relative of the current year, that is 138.41 into the chain index of the previous year, which is 100 whole upon 100. So this is equal to 138.41. Then for the year 1982, the chain base index is equal to the link relative of the current year, that is 121.48 into the chain index of the previous year, that is 138.41 whole upon 100, which is equal to 168.14. Now for the year 1983, the chain base index is equal to 126.11 into 168.14, 1 upon 100, which is equal to 212.04. So we have constructed chain base index from the given data by using chain base method. And this is the solution of the given question. So that's all for this session. Hope you all have enjoyed the session.